What if I told you that you could make $500 per day with affiliate marketing with zero experience and zero skills? Stick around because today I'm going to reveal the exact formula that is helping complete beginners escape their 9-to-5 jobs. Hey everyone, it's Manogar here. Now, John was making $45,000 as an accountant. Sarah was making $38,000 as a marketing coordinator. Both of them worked 50-hour weeks and living paycheck to paycheck. 10 months later, John quit his job after hitting $8,000 per month in affiliate income. Sarah, after 12 months now, she's hitting $10,000 in affiliate income by just working weekends and in the evenings. They used the exact 4-step system that I'm going to show you. No experience, no special skills, just $100 to start. But here's what's interesting. This is the part that most of the beginners completely get wrong about affiliate marketing. And John and Sarah didn't succeed just because they were working harder or they were smarter. They avoided the one mistake that kills 90% of the beginners before they even make their first dollar. And I'm going to show you the exact mistake. But before that, let me show you why the traditional affiliate marketing methods are failing for the people with full-time jobs. Why this method works for beginners. Most affiliate marketing courses online for beginners target mostly with Facebook ads or Google ads, and this is not suitable for people who are working full-time jobs. Why this method works for beginners? Now, most affiliate marketing courses online concentrate on complex strategies like Facebook ads or Google ads, and which is not suitable for complete beginners. Now, here's why this approach won't work. Number one, technical complexity. Now, all these require complex ad creatives, complex funnels, and testing. Number two, high startup cost. Now, investing in Google ads and Facebook ads requires $5,000 to $10,000 to test what works. Number three, account bans. Now, you might get your Facebook or Google ad accounts banned at any moment, killing your affiliate business overnight. And number four, time investment. Now, if you want to build your audience from scratch through social media, it takes years and years together. And here's why I have got this lazy affiliate method instead. And why this works? Number one, no technical skills required. You don't need to set up any complex funnels and no complex landing pages. Number two, low startup cost. Now you can just start with $100 upfront with testing. Number three, instant feedback. You will know what is working within 24 hours. And number four, beginner friendly. The simpler it is, the better it works. Let me now break down the exact process flow that John and Sarah used to build their affiliate business. Step number one, choose a niche and find a winning product. First, you need to pick a profitable niche. And the three most profitable niche are: number one, health. Under health, you have weight loss, nutrition, wellness. The second niche is wealth. Make money online, business opportunities, investing are sub niches. And number three, relationships. Under relationships, you have marriage counseling, dating, and self-improvement as sub-niches. Now, why do we need to choose these niches? Because they solve people's most deepest problems and pain points. And people pay premium prices when you solve their problems in these niches. After choosing a profitable niche, the next step is to find a very good affiliate product or offer. Now, how do you find them? First, look for high conversion rate products. Second, look for high commission, like 30 to 50%. And number three, positive customer reviews. And number four, existing demand in the market. Now, if you need a step-by-step approach on where to find these affiliate offers, you can watch the video on top right of your screen. Step number two, build a simple landing page. No website required. Now, here's where most people make it complicated. You don't need any fancy websites or complex funnels. You just need what I call as a squeeze page, just to capture the email address. And that's the only purpose of this landing page. Now, the four main components of a simple landing page are a compelling headline, which will directly speak to the audience pain points, and a subheadline, like what you're going to give some kind of valuable free content through lead magnet that addresses directly the pain point, And number 3, a simple opt-in form where you're going to capture email address and name. And number 4, the call to action. Now, the beauty of this is that you can build your landing page in less than 10 minutes. And if you want to know how to do that exactly step by step, then watch the video on top right of your screen. Now, the goal here is not to sell anything on this page. It's just to get the people onto your email list. And once they're onto your email list, then that's where the real magic happens through your email sequences. Step number 3, that is traffic system. Now, here we are not going to use any complex paid ads, but a simple warmed traffic sources. Now, what do you mean by warm traffic sources? The traffic source that I'm referring to here is called solo ads. Now, what are solo ads? You pay someone who has a massive and responsive email list to send your offer to their subscribers. And these audience are already pre-qualified and they are interested in your particular niche. Now, why solo ads work for beginners? Number 1, they are already pre-qualified and warmed up. Number 2, you pay based on clicks and not impressions. Number 3, no technical setup required. And number 4, you just need as low as $100 to test. And number 5, you get instant feedback on what's working. Step number 4, the email list building system. Now, here's where the real magic happens. Here's where we build a system that is going to work for us in the long term. Number 1, squeeze page, which is where you're going to collect the email addresses and names. And number 2 is going to be email autoresponder that is going to collect the leads and send them the valuable content. Number 3 is going to be valuable sequences. Now, this is where you're going to send emails to build the trust and provide solutions to their pain points. Next, the backend profit system. This is the secret sauce. Most people focus only on the front end, but the real money is made in the backend system. Now, what is a front end? Now, front end is where the people opt in into your squeeze page, and backend system. This is where you're going to make money, the real money, through email marketing, where you're going to send email sequences and email broadcast. Now, how are we going to segment our list? Now, here's how we are going to segment the list. The raw list. Now, these are the people that have opted into your email list and they need a lot of nurturing and trust building before they are going to buy anything from your emails. The second category is called the buyers list. Now, these are the most valuable subscribers because they have bought something from your recommendations, and you have to treat them as a valuable subscriber because they are already shown the trust in you and they are willing to pull their credit cards out of their pocket whenever you send them offers. This is why the system works. You're not just making one-off sale. You are building a customer journey. You are moving the raw list into the buyers list. Your raw list gets your educational and low ticket offers, and your buyers get premium and high ticket offers because they are already proven they are buyers. The real magic happens when you move people from the raw list into the buyers list, because once they are into the buyers list, you send more valuable offers. That's the beauty of building an email list. It's going to become a permanent digital asset that's going to generate income in the long term. Here are the common mistakes that beginners make. Mistake number 1, focusing on front-end sale rather than concentrating on the back-end customer value. Mistake number 2, testing too many things at a time instead of mastering one system. And number 3, giving up too early before the email sequences have time to work. Now, if you are someone who is serious about building an affiliate marketing business, then I have put together a complete training program that walks you through step by step. Now, I call this as a 9 to 5 escape blueprint, and this takes you through step by step even if you're a complete beginner. It's specifically designed for people who want to build an affiliate marketing business right from scratch and not just a quick few bucks. In this training, I will show you where to get the solo ad traffic and the best traffic sources. Number 2, the email templates that convert cold leads into buyers. And number 3, how to build a buyers list and maximize backend profits. And number 4, the tracking system that is going to help you scale your business. Now, I have built this 4-hour program, and you can watch this video on top right of your screen where I have broken down the entire steps. Even if you're a complete beginner, and it is going to take you through step-by-step process. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable videos like this. Now, affiliate marketing success isn't about having some special skills. It's about having the right system and having consistent action. The method I showed you just now is what John and Sarah have used to quit their 9-to-5 jobs and build a real passive income. But knowing about it and doing something about it are two different things. Start with the step 1 and you will be on your way to $500 per day. So with that, see you in the next video.